Hi there, welcome to Tectonic. Have you had a situation where you have been delivering a presentation to colleagues online and your colleagues can't hear what you're saying? But there's a really cool feature within Microsoft PowerPoint itself where you can enable and disable subtitles, and you can have those subtitles as you are speaking in different languages. So the first thing you need to do is open up your PowerPoint presentation. So I've got one here with 4 slides. Now, what I want to do before I go to slideshow mode or presenter view is make sure I've enabled my subtitle settings and my microphone to do this. At the top, in the ribbon, go to slideshow, and across the right side here, you will see an option that says captions and subtitles. So I want my presentation to always display or use subtitles, so I'm going to enable this checkbox here, but just underneath that are your subtitle settings. So if I click on that, you can select the microphone you want to use, which is currently my Yeti stereo microphone, which I want to use. You can adjust where you want your subtitles to go. So at the moment, I think mine are at the top of the slideshow. I can choose my spoken language. My spoken language is English, I hope. United Kingdom version, I hope. And then the subtitle language, what's displayed on the screen, is also English. So in this first example, I'm just going to show you it displaying the English language when I go into slideshow mode. So let's go into slideshow mode. So you can click on the slideshow option here, go to from beginning, or you can click on F5 on your keyboard, or down here you can click on slideshow here. So there's a number of ways to go into slideshow mode. I'm going to click here. So I'm currently in slideshow mode. So you can see already those subtitles or captions are now appearing at the top of this slide here. So at the top of the slide in the overlay. So that's brilliant. So if you've got people in your audience online who are slightly hard of hearing, or maybe you are talking so quickly that they can't grasp what you are saying, but they can read quickly, this will really benefit them. However, you may have members of your audience whose first language is not English. Let's, for example, say their first language is Arabic or Hindi. There's ways you can change your language when you are displaying a PowerPoint presentation or going through slides. So if I go into the next slide, you can see the subtitles continue. It's a continuation of what you are speaking at the time, so you can see it's just carrying on with those subtitles regardless of which slide you're on. So that's fantastic. So let's just change, click on escape, go back up to subtitle settings. Let's change the language of the subtitle. So the subtitle language is currently English. I'm going to choose Arabic. Here you go. Now let's go back into slideshow mode. Go from beginning again, and let's see what it does in terms of it showing the subtitles to you. So you can see Arabic works from right to left, so you're reading from right to left. Okay, it's not like English, any other languages out there. It's always right to left. So you can see everything there is in Arabic, again, it's a continuation of what I'm saying. So it's really inclusive, or an inclusive approach, especially if you've got members or colleagues whose first language is not English, or it allows for that accessibility, which I should say. So let's come out of the presentation again. Let's choose a third language. Subtitle settings, subtitle language, Arabic. Let's choose German, and let's go back to from beginning. So this slideshow itself, it's talking about the importance of digital skills in the workplace. Really important skills to have in the workplace, and that's what this does. It goes through what those skills are and why it's important. So you can see the subtitles at the moment are all written in German. Yeah, so if you're a native German speaker, or that's your preference, and that's what you will see in the captions area. So it's a really fantastic tool, I feel, to try and engage everybody within your audience, regardless of their background, and it's really good for those people who are really hard of hearing. If you want to switch your subtitles onto your native language English, and they can read as opposed to listen to what you're saying, because they may miss something. I'm always one of those learners or one of those members of the audience who are always asking questions because there's something I've always missed. And if I knew about the subtitles settings feature, I could get the presenter to switch it on so I can read what they're saying when that presentation is occurring. I hope this video has helped you. If it has, there's plenty more IT tutorial videos on my channel. Please do subscribe, like and share.